A giant copper statue in New York was once used as a lighthouse. Can you name these famous landmarks? Which famous landmark is this? Is it A, Golden Gate Bridge, B, Statue of Liberty, or C, Mount Rushmore? It's B, Statue of Liberty. It was a gift from France. What is the name of this giant rock carving? Is it A, Grand Canyon, B, Mount Rushmore, or C, Stone Mountain? It's B, Mount Rushmore. It features 4 famous U.S. presidents. Which famous historic building is this? Is it A, Capitol Building, B, the White House, or C, Supreme Court? It's B, the White House. It is the president's official workplace. What is the name of this famous orange-red bridge? Is it A, Brooklyn Bridge, B, Golden Gate Bridge, or C, London Bridge? It's B, Golden Gate Bridge. It spans the San Francisco Bay. Which classic New York skyscraper is this? Is it A, Chrysler Building, B, Space Needle, or C, Empire State Building? It's C, Empire State Building. It was the world's tallest building. What famous symbol of freedom has a large, visible crack in it? Is it A, Liberty Bell, B, Freedom Bell, or C, Independence Bell? It's A, Liberty Bell. It is famous for its historic crack. What massive natural wonder is this famous landmark? Is it A, Death Valley, B, Grand Canyon, or C, Yellowstone? It's B, Grand Canyon. It was carved by the Colorado River. In which city can you see this futuristic tower? Is it A, Seattle, B, New York, or C, Chicago? It's A, Seattle. It was built for the World's Fair. What is the name of this giant silver arch in Missouri? Is it A, Golden Arch, B, Gateway Arch, or C, Silver Arch? It's B, Gateway Arch. It honors America's westward expansion. Which famous landmark can you find on the hills of California? Is it A, Las Vegas sign, B, Hollywood sign, or C, Beverly Hills sign? It's B, Hollywood sign. It originally read Hollywoodland. What is the name of this famous island prison? Is it A, Alcatraz, B, Ellis Island, or C, Key West? It's A, Alcatraz. It was a high-security federal prison. In which city is this historic building where the Declaration of Independence was signed? Is it A, Boston, B, Philadelphia, or C, Washington, D.C.? It's B, Philadelphia. Independence Hall is located here. What is the name of this historic stone mission in Texas? Is it A, San Jose Mission, B, the Alamo, or C, Santa Fe Mission? It's B, the Alamo. It is famous for an 1836 battle. Which famous group of early settlers is Plymouth Rock associated with? Is it A, Jamestown colonists, B, the Pilgrims, or C, Gold Rush miners? It's B, the Pilgrims. They landed here in 1620. What is the name of this massive concrete dam? Is it A, Grand Coulee Dam, B, Hoover Dam, or C, Glen Canyon Dam? It's B, Hoover Dam. It was built during the Great Depression. Which famous landmark is this giant statue located inside of? Is it A, Jefferson Memorial, B, Capitol Building, or C, Lincoln Memorial? It's C, Lincoln Memorial. The giant statue honors Abraham Lincoln. Which historic immigration station is this? Is it A, Angel Island, B, Ellis Island, or C, Liberty Island? It's B, Ellis Island. It welcomed millions of immigrants. What is the name of this giant stone obelisk? Is it A, Washington Monument, B, Jefferson Monument, or C, Lincoln Obelisk? It's A, Washington Monument. It honors America's first president. Which famous geyser is found in Yellowstone National Park? Is it A, Grand Prismatic, B, Old Faithful, or C, Steamboat Geyser? It's B, Old Faithful. It erupts on a highly predictable schedule. Which historic sunken battleship does this floating memorial sit above? Is it A, USS Arizona, B, USS Missouri, or C, USS Constitution? It's A, USS Arizona. The memorial spans the sunken hull. Which ancient Native American cliff dwellings are these? Is it A, Montezuma Castle, B, Mesa Verde, or C, Gila Cliff? It's B, Mesa Verde. These homes were built into cliffs. Which two New York boroughs does this historic suspension bridge connect? Is it A, Manhattan and Brooklyn, B, Queens and Brooklyn, or C, Manhattan and Queens? It's A, Manhattan and Brooklyn. It opened in 1883. Whose historic Virginia plantation home is this? Is it A, George Washington, B, Thomas Jefferson, or C, James Madison? It's B, Thomas Jefferson. He designed this home, Monticello. What is the name of this unique rock monument in Wyoming? Is it A, Devil's Tower, B, Chimney Rock, or C, Half Dome? It's A, Devil's Tower. It was the first national monument. What is the name of this massive estate built in California? Is it A, Biltmore Estate, B, Hearst Castle, or C, Graceland? It's B, Hearst Castle. It was built by a publishing tycoon. Which state is home to America's largest historic home, the Biltmore Estate? Is it A, North Carolina, B, Virginia, or C, New York? It's A, North Carolina. It is a giant French-style chateau. What is the name of this ancient, continuously inhabited adobe community? Is it A, Mesa Verde, B, Taos Pueblo, or C, Acoma Pueblo? It's B, Taos Pueblo. It has been inhabited for 1,000 years. What is the nickname of this historic, wooden-hulled Navy ship? Is it A, Old Ironsides, B, the Great Republic, or C, Old Glory? It's A, Old Ironsides. Cannonballs bounced off its oak sides. Whose famous historic home is this? Is it A, Elvis Presley, B, Johnny Cash, or C, Dolly Parton? It's A, Elvis Presley. Graceland is located in Memphis. In which historic southern neighborhood would you find this unique cathedral? Is it A, French Quarter, B, Savannah District, or C, Charleston District? It's A, French Quarter. It is located in New Orleans. What is the name of this massive brick fort located in the Gulf of Mexico? Is it A, Fort Sumter, B, Fort Jefferson, or C, Fort McHenry? It's B, Fort Jefferson. It is a massive, unfinished fortress. Which famous historic gold rush ghost town is this? Is it A, Tombstone, B, Bodie, or C, Calico? It's B, Bodie. It is preserved as a ghost town. What is the name of this famous Vanderbilt mansion in Newport, Rhode Island? Is it A, Marble House, B, The Breakers, or C, Rosecliff? It's B, The Breakers. It was built as a summer cottage. Which landmark served as a critical guidepost for pioneers on the Oregon Trail? Is it A, Scotts Bluff, B, Chimney Rock, or C, Independence Rock? It's B, Chimney Rock. It guided pioneers heading west. Which famous birds are known for returning to this historic California mission every spring? Is it A, swallows, B, eagles, or C, sparrows? It's A, swallows. They migrate back every March. Which famous architect designed this historic home built over a waterfall? Is it A, Frank Lloyd Wright, B, Louis Sullivan, or C, Antoni Gaudí? It's A, Frank Lloyd Wright. He designed Falling Water. In which state's harbor is this historic fort, where the first shots of the Civil War were fired? Is it A, Virginia, B, North Carolina, or C, South Carolina? It's C, South Carolina. Fort Sumter is in Charleston. What is the name of this colorful roadside art installation in Texas? Is it A, Carhenge, B, Cadillac Ranch, or C, Seven Magic Mountains? It's B, Cadillac Ranch. It features 10 buried cars. Which famous battle site features this massive state monument? Is it A, Gettysburg, B, Antietam, or C, Shiloh? It's A, Gettysburg. It is on the famous battlefield. Whose humble birthplace is preserved inside this neoclassical memorial building? Is it A, George Washington, B, Abraham Lincoln, or C, Thomas Jefferson? It's B, Abraham Lincoln. A symbolic log cabin is inside. How many landmarks did you map out correctly? Tell us in the comments and subscribe for more fun quizzes.